Easy way to remove dandruff from the shirt. Now here we have shirt with dandruff particles. Make a copy of this pressing Ctrl+J. And then go to Filter menu, click on Noise and choose Dust and Scratches. Input value 10 in radius and 11 in threshold. Click on OK. Now create black layer mask pressing Alt plus layer mask. Choose brush tool and be sure foreground color is white. Now you can remove the dandruff pressing left mouse button continuously. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more easy tricks. Thank you.